Hey everybody, Sean Bukowski here. Hope you're all having a great week. Hey, I want to talk to you about my least favorite thing in the world when it comes to clients, to what my clients have, and that is swimming pools. And I'm joking a little bit. It's like I don't hate fun in summer and all that. But as a lawyer, when I go to a client's apartment community or whatever, and I see a swimming pool, all I think of is this is liability, liability, liability. And so that's what we're going to talk about this week. And the key to understanding premises liability in Texas and probably most states, and that's what this area is called, is premises liability, is to understand that there's a duty of care. The duty of care differs based on whether that person's an invitee, a licensee, or a trespasser. Most of the folks on your property is the people who are, if it's a retail, people who are shopping or are there to see a concert or something, or your tenants, or whoever, are going to be invitees. And under that, you, as a property owner, owe them the highest level, highest duty of care. And if there's anything wrong with the property and that person gets injured, then you can be liable for that and likely are going to be liable for that. And so it's there is that three-level duty of care under premises liability analysis, but I think when I'm talking to my clients and dealing with sort of what they should be aware of, there's going to be so many people on their property that are invitees and requiring that highest duty of care that it's almost like, let's think about this in that way, that we need to have the highest duty of care. And what does that mean? That means that you should really be out there looking at your property regularly, inspecting it. If there's a call that something's wrong with the property, responding to it as soon as possible, having signs up. None of these things are exhaustive. I mean, it's not like that's going to completely free you of liability, but the more diligent you are at making sure that the property is safe, the better off you're going to be when it comes to liability and the less potential liability you have if unfortunately some unfortunate issue happens. And that's why I mean, obviously with swimming pools, every city will have rules and regulations of all the signs you have to have and everything. Make sure you have those because it's vitally important. It's to have those signs up to reduce your liability, and make sure your employees are well trained, and any obvious or noticeable problems with the property are fixed as soon as possible. And then obviously insurance is key. You need to make sure you have insurance to cover any potential premises liability issues. It's an unfortunate area that of property ownership that just has to kind of go with the whole structure. So hope you enjoy this. Please have a great week, and please subscribe to our weekly blog, our email, and our podcast. Thanks a lot.